Now we've closed in the top here. You can see our roof it's all closed in here on this side. We moved the big lift over on the other side and our TM34 over here so we can continue some work here. Because we just still have some more caulking to do. We built this morning and put that on. We're building these out. These two are in really bad shape, but they're starting to come together now. And these guys are in pretty good shape. There's a couple that still need a little bit of work on them, but for the most part, they're pretty good. So now on the other side, I removed some of this sawtooth pattern, and water had ran down through next to it a lot, so we have some damage, but I think overall though I can get enough out of here of this molding or this sawtooth pattern, and then there was this molding over top of that, enough that I can do this end, and then I'll have to make the rest, but at least I can use this, save enough for a pattern, and then start making more. So first thing I'm going to do is remove all the nails, and then I'm going to brush it off pretty good because there's a lot of dirt on it, and then maybe take off some of this extra paint that's on the edges so that's not in our way, and maybe scrape it some, and at that point I should be ready to start putting it up. You can see how dirty it is. It really needs some brushing off, so let's go to it.